So I would like to know what occurs on a molecular level when sound travel. So being able to write and compose music, understanding the physics of music is inevitable.
Pathological compulsion is an abnormal, constant pursuit. Now, we understand that these are the 5 emotional attributes that are induced during manic episodes. Now, we're going to take a transdisciplinary, a multidisciplinary, a cross-disciplinary, and an interdisciplinary approach to sort of circumvent it. And
primitive, primordial level has ingrained some level of consciousness on an infinite.
And maybe we're going to come up with some other better idea than either of us had before, because we take the good parts about what we were saying and apply them to this new thing, like in that way that you synthesize.
Ambiguity in semantics, where I explore every facet of ambiguity in semantics, primarily. Right, I mean, sound, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective, like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception. We can cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.